Welcome back to Fun in Tim's Garden. This is a very big episode for me. The seed catalogs have finally arrived. Can't wait. My wife says I'm a little obsessed. Yeah, I don't know what she's talking about. Anyways, I got 4 companies I'm going to order from this year. I have catalogs for 3 of them at the moment. Where I'm going to order first is the Seed Savers Exchange. This is out of Decorah, Iowa. Super excited. So this catalog, everything in it is untreated, non-hybrid, non-GMO seeds. It's all heirloom. Second catalog is the whole seed catalog. This is from Baker Creek. They have wonderful seeds. Look how thick this catalog is. It's got everything in it. Super exciting. Finally, the third catalog. This is the Park Seed catalog. Now my uncle, who taught me all of this, made it really clear. You can't go wrong with Park Seed. He would say it over and over again. The nursery he worked at is the only place they ordered from. So we gotta get from Park Seed. And I've had good luck year after year getting from Park Seed, so that's what we're gonna do. All right, so why are we going with the heirloom seeds? This is really pretty simple. They smell better, they taste better, better pollinators. And finally, it's just more fun, man. Gotta have fun. So, I have some goals this year too. Goals for the garden. I wanna attract more bees, wanna attract butterflies, wanna attract hummingbirds. And more than anything, in the Baker Creek seed, it says a lot of this stuff is edible. How cool is that? I'm gonna put flowers in my salad, and we'll do an episode on it. It'll be fun. Okay, so I said 4 companies. I got 3 catalogs. The 4th company is the Sandia Seed Company. Now the reason for that is every year I make a valiant Minnesota attempt to grow Hatch green chilies in Minnesota. Hatch Big Jim green chilies. Love them. They're super yummy. Out of about 8 tries, I've done it perfectly about 3 times. Okay, let's be honest, I've been successful twice. A couple of reasons for that. Turns out the deer in my backyard, they love green chilies. Who knew? So, we're gonna do it a little different this year. About 3 years ago, I was visiting family out in New Mexico. We roasted green chilies at the green chili place. And, and they were so good. Anyways, we scraped all the seeds out of some of them, and I have a bag. I dried them in the sun, and I had good luck with that last year. But this year, can't help it. Sandia Seed Company seeds, straight out of green chili seeds. We'll see what happens. Again, to wrap it up, I'm ordering from 4 companies. Seed Savers Exchange, Baker Creek Seed Company, Park Seed, and finally, the Sandia Seed Company. I'll have all the websites listed below. Go and check it out. Now, one thing I want to mention, I don't want to discourage anyone from going to your big box store and getting seeds. I just like going from the catalogs. It's the middle of January in Minnesota. It's cold out, it's dark out. You gotta do something to stay happy. This is my gig. But if you got a seed company nearby or a big box store that has a big thing of seeds, go for it. I highly, highly encourage you to do so. That's about it. I don't think there's anything else I can say except in the next episode. Do you remember getting the dirt? That fun episode? I've got it all sitting in my garage. We're gonna get it, we're gonna mix it with some seed starter, then we're gonna bake it. Just a little bit of a teaser. My wife's not happy with me, but there's a reason for baking seed and we'll go over it in the next episode. That's all I have. I wanna thank you for watching. I hope this has been fun, educational, and inspiring to do some planting in the middle of winter. So thank you very much, and please, please subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye.